Topic 1. Nobel Prize in Economics awarded for work on economic disparities between nations. Three economists, Darren Acemoglu, Simon Johnson, and James Robinson, have been awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics for their research explaining why some nations become wealthy while others remain poor. Their study traced how institutions formed during Europe's colonial era impact the prosperity of nations today. The research indicates that countries that developed inclusive institutions tend to prosper in the long run, while those that exploit the masses for elite interests experience persistent low economic growth. This work deepens the understanding of ongoing inequalities between nations. Topic 2. China's measures to support little giants, an economic stimulus plan. The Chinese government announced plans to enhance capital accessibility for small businesses and unicorns in high-tech sectors, including the launch of a specialized board for little giants in local securities markets. These companies hold significant market shares and innovation capabilities in specific fields. Additionally, China aims to alleviate funding issues for small businesses and support efficient traffic usage through online platforms. However, despite the announcement of economic stimulus measures, investor skepticism remains regarding their impact on the market, leading to mixed trends in the stock market, yuan, and oil prices. The uncertainty persists as the government has not disclosed the specific scale of the stimulus. The real estate market's downturn continues to significantly affect economic growth, with many consumers and investors hesitant to make large spending decisions. Topic 3. Elon Musk's SpaceX successfully catches returning booster with mechanical arms. SpaceX achieved a historic engineering milestone during a large-scale test flight of its Starship rocket. The company successfully recovered the booster of the massive Starship rocket, launched from the Starbase launch site near Boca Chica, Texas, using mechanical arms referred to as chopsticks. This method aims for reusable rockets and was successfully attempted for the first time. Elon Musk announced this on Twitter, stating that SpaceX's future goals include sending people and cargo into space, ultimately aiming for manned Mars exploration. Topic 4. European Central Bank prepares for third interest rate cut amidst economic concerns. The European Central Bank, ECB, is set to implement its third interest rate cut of the year this Thursday, following comments from policymakers indicating that inflation risks are easing faster than expected. The market anticipates a 25 basis point cut in October and an additional reduction to a 3% benchmark rate in December. While no formal guidance changes are expected, ECB President Christine Lagarde is unlikely to temper expectations for quicker rate cuts. Eurozone inflation slowed to 1.8% in September, with core inflation at 2.7%, the lowest in 2.5 years. The ECB has already cut rates by 25 basis points in June and September, as economic growth continues to slow, with the growth forecast for the Eurozone adjusted down to 0.8%. Topic 5. Florida residents consider relocation after destructive storms. Residents of Florida have suffered severe damage from recent hurricanes Idalia, Helen, and Milton, with many losing homes and property, leading to financial burdens due to skyrocketing insurance costs. As a result, some residents are contemplating leaving Florida. The housing market is also slowing, with many homes selling for less than their asking prices. The rising insurance premiums and costs for flood damage recovery are creating economic strain for many residents, prompting a reevaluation of Florida's future. Topic 6. Tesla car crash in France results in 4 fatalities. A Tesla vehicle crashed into a road sign near Niort, France, resulting in a fire and the deaths of 4 individuals. The exact cause of the accident is still under investigation, and the lack of witnesses complicates the inquiry. The VIC-D,